Hey my friends, it's Brian from Optimize Effects. Welcome to another episode or the end of week update on the $1,000 challenge. But before I get into that, I just want to give out a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. We have just surpassed 200 subscribers. I did not think that the channel would blow up as much as it has. So thank you to all of you who have subscribed and are following Optimize Effects. I'm really enjoying giving out the content and doing all these tests and building a community of people that are also interested in trading with robots and also manual trading and just Forex in general. Shout out to all the people that have sent me emails, sent me robots on Facebook. I have a Facebook page as well. Also made a Discord channel, so if you're into that, I'll put the link down there. Just a quick thank you to everyone following the channel, and onwards and upwards from here. Leave some comments down below if there's anything you want me to cover, or any more reviews or tutorials or things like that. Something that you'd like me to do, or if there's any courses that you'd want on optimization, or like EA optimization, robot optimization, a more specific version. Any ideas, just chuck them down below, and I'll have a look into it and see if I can get that content out for you all. So all that out of the way, let's check out how all the robots went this week, and we've got the new ones as well. So if you remember in the last episode with the Boss EA, we're only trading one pair, and I added 3 other pairs that was recommended in the settings there, and it looks like we've made a little bit of money this week. We're at 1,031, and it doesn't look like Pound Franc had traded, or Euro Franc actually. Aha! So it looks like all the trades were done with USD CAD, and if we have a look at the account history, we can easily see that all the trades are USD CAD. So I'm not sure why that is. I might have to just restart the terminal. Actually, I'll restart this laptop this weekend while the markets are closed, just to give it a fresh slate, and I'll reopen all the terminals again and see if that fixes anything as to why these 3 are not trading. Now it could be just the market isn't right, or there's no entry parameters there for them to open trades. So yeah, we'll have a look at that. Move on to the Dragon. Now this is it's gone from one extreme to the other. Now if you have a look here, it's got a balance of $2,324. So remember, in the first week it smashed the account on a huge move up with Euro USD, and it couldn't handle it. And now, if you had to put $1,000 in after that first week, after that big move, you would have made $1,324 in literally 2 weeks. It seems like a good robot right now, but when I backtest it, I find that it does blow the account. So it doesn't handle big moves really well. But this is only trading 1 pair, so I'm just interested to see how this might go trading more pairs. If we up it to 2 pairs or maybe 3 pairs, and if we check out a market that is ranging, because it seems like this robot is suited more to a ranging market rather than a trending market. Although in this trend it has traded quite nicely, as you can see. If I take these off, you can see this part here is where it blew the account. It was just a huge move upward on Euro USD. If we have a look here, I think I had a look at how big that move was. So from top to bottom, we're looking at 136 pips, I think. I could be wrong. But 136 pip move upwards within literally, this is the hour chart, with literally in 2 hours, it just couldn't recover from that. It didn't come back down, it actually come up to here. So if we have a look it probably started trading here and went all the way up to there. So yeah, almost 200 pip move, and it blew the account, I would say. And then this is the moment where there wasn't trading, as you can see there. And then I put the other $1,000 in, and it's you know, it's come up, come down, come up, come down, and then come down, and it's, as you can see, it's come up, come down there, and closed trades there. So yeah, the Dragon, it's been impressive, very impressive. I did not think it would actually make this much money in 2 weeks. Like $1,300 that's a huge amount. But would I risk 1,000? Yeah, I don't know. Would you guys risk 1,000? Just let me know in the comments below. What do you think about Dragon Expert? Do you think it's a good EA, or do you think it's really risky? I think it's really risky, and it just all depends on the market. I think with this. So yeah, let me know what you think. I think, yeah, it's, if you've got $1,000 to risk, sure, go for it. Now, Holy Grail. Holy Grail. We did change some. Did I change some settings? Did we change some settings? Maybe I did. I think I did. So 20 orders max, trailing stop of 1, take profit of 5, a stop loss of 70, and we're risking 25%. Yeah, I think. My cat's, I don't know if you can hear her, but she said, get inside, Dad. But look at this, we are, yeah, we have lost some money. We're down to $690. Yeah, the market has not been kind. It does trade the minute time frame, so the if you've been following the Euro USD, there has been some quite big moves, especially due to what was it, non-farm payroll, which happened last night. So yeah, we've lost $316. It just hasn't been kind. There's some big. If we look at the profit, it has made some money, but it's lost more than it's made. Like you can see here, the biggest trade, it was $2.23 that it's made, but we've lost $31, $10. You know, we've lost more than we've won, obviously, because we're down. Maybe not the Holy Grail. We'll keep it going though. We'll see how we go. Now, now I did notice this the last night. I turned auto trading off. As you can see, it's not trading at the moment. I noticed this. I had a quick look last night. I think it was like midnight, a bit after NFP or non-farm payroll, and it looks like Monopole blew the account. And I don't know if you'd noticed, I did a quick live stream on a real account versus a demo account, and I actually had Monopole on it, and I had it running for like maybe 24 hours, and then I realized, nah, this is not the right expert advisor for this market, and so I stopped it, and I'm glad I did, because I think I probably would have lost some real money as well. So I had the demo versus real. I started it with $200, and I noticed things weren't going well with Monopole. I think it lost like $20, and I had a look at the market. I'm like, nah, this is not the right expert advisor for this market. It is a bullish market. It is ranging up. No, not ranging. It is trending up, and there are some big moves. So I stopped the $200 challenge, and I'm actually going to try it with another expert that I've been playing with, and it's called Global Expert V2. I don't know if anyone has heard of that, but it has been going quite well the last couple of days that I've been testing. So I'll probably use that with the demo versus real test. But yeah, getting back to Monopole, it blew the account, and they blew the account because the market just kept going up and up and up, and as you can see here, there were no pullbacks, especially on the 15-minute time frame. You know, there's one pullback here. You can see here it's come up, it's made some money, it's gone up, maybe closed some trades there, it's gone up, it's gone up, it's gone up. See, it just keeps going up, and it's just the wrong market for this robot, and it's just blown the account. So, word of warning. What did we learn from this? We learned that Monopole is not suited to a trending market. So if you have a look on the 15-minute time frame, or we can change time frames now, we can see that the market is going up, Let's get rid of this. The market is going up, and it's not coming back down. It did come back down here. It went up, and come back down. But if we have a look on the H4 or hour 4 time frame, we can see here that it's gone up, and then it's just kept going up. What we want Monopole to do is trade this. You know, zigzag up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You know, we want that. We want that kind of market, not this. It's just gone straight up. There was a huge move up there, and then it come back down. So I'm actually probably expecting Euro USD maybe to reach the highs of 1.147. You know, this previous high over here, maybe. But just see what happens in the USA. Yeah. But we, you know, if we go back before coronavirus, you know, this is before. This is February, and this is when we're ramping up to coronavirus, and then boom, come back down into March, and this is when coronavirus hit in this area here. You can see this pattern. You know, it's coming. Oh, we can't do it with this. Maybe this one. Trend line, yes. So yeah, it's often I draw. I use TradingView. So we have a trend line. She's gone down, and then it's popped up above it and come back down, and then we're in a bullish market. But if we go back before that, we can see that maybe Monopole would have been good. See, it's gone down, come back, come down, come up, come down. I would say this is a normal market here, going up, come down, and Monopole would have probably worked really well. If we go into the daily time frame, sorry, this is a bit of a long video, but I'm just trying to help you guys out, trying to pick the right EA for the right market. So look at this, up, down, up, down. You can see these up, down, up, down, up, down. You can see the waves of the market on the daily time frame, up, down here. And then you have a look here, boom. This is Corona all here. So this is not the right EA for this type of market. Have a look at it. It's insane. But if we have a look back here, boom, beautiful. Up, down, up, down, up, down. So I hope that helps you out. So Monopole is good if we want to look at another currency pair. I don't know what. Probably not a USD one. Maybe something that might not have been affected by coronavirus so much. Yeah. So now we can see that the Euro New Zealand dollar was affected by coronavirus. You see it come up, it spiked right up, and then it started going into you know, your range. There was a big range right there. You know, it was trading a range, and then it's broken out and gone to the downside. So we'll probably it's hit a fair bit of resistance that you can see there. You know, it's hit this resistance here, so it might bounce off that, come back up, and hit this. This would, well, this is probably support. Sorry, support here, and then it'll probably bounce up and hit the support, which probably now turn into resistance. So it might bounce off here and come back up, and then come back down. Yeah, we can see that you know, Monopole probably would have been good in this market previous to coronavirus. So you can see it is going up and down, up and down. So yeah, but yeah, it didn't work out well. So I'll be removing this robot, and yeah, I've got a few more robots up my sleeve that we can test. Some people have been sending me through some, so we'll give them a hit. Have a crack on a live account. So move on to the Make Money EA. The Make Money EA is set down to 722. I think it's lost a little bit. I think we did gain a little bit of money, and now it's lost a little bit. So it's trying to buy pound USD, and we've gone back down, and then we've got a sell way down here. And then it's come up. This is a 5-minute time frame, by the way. It's got a sell down here. Well, probably got two sells, or maybe that's a take profit. And then we've got buy. We're buying pound USD, expecting it maybe to come up, and then come back down. So we've got stop losses down there, and we've got some stop losses up here. And do we have any? Oh, yep. There's some take profits and take profits down there. So, yeah, not sure what to think about this one yet. Maybe I might try and find some better settings. We'll see. But at this stage, it's what's negative $47, so not so bad. It hasn't blown the account yet, but we have lost some money, so making money is harder than to lose. The private wealth robot. Yeah, interesting one. Yeah, this US 500 is definitely the wrong thing here. But I don't know why there's nothing here, which is really interesting. Maybe it's not trading it. Let's have a look at the accounts history. So yeah, Euro USD's there. It is there, so I don't know why there's nothing here. So I might, yeah, hopefully I'll restart the computer and we'll see what happens. But we haven't made any money. We've lost $157. This trade H1 time frame. Yeah, I'll look into this one a bit more. See if I can find some better settings on the weekend. So we'll come back to that. Signals Pro 007. Not going too good. Just remember, I did change the settings. So these are the settings we have now. Change the lot exponent to 1.2, take profit 5, pip steps now 15 instead of I think maybe default of 5 or 10. We're doing 10 max trades, and I think I left lock profit and trailing stop as a default. So yeah, not going very well at all. Negative $501. So it is in sells. So Euro USD would have to come down quite a long way for it to maybe break even. I'm not sure where it's at. Yeah, but we'll see. Next we have this one was recommended to me. Thank you very much. So this one was recommended by someone who sent me an email, and you know, thank you. So we have FX Stabilizer. I think this is only meant to trade. I don't know much about this EA. I didn't do any research, but it looks like it's meant to trade just Euro. On the hour time frame, I'm not currently in any trades, but it looks like it has made some trades. So let's have a quick look. We have we've made $21. So it did one big trade at $61, which was a sell. And then we've had, oh, they've all been sells. So yeah, and then probably that big move up was where we lost the money. So 61 and then 5, and then we've lost 10, 13, and 20. So far I like EAs that take losses. So I think that's really good. Yeah, one big trade and then a few losing trades outweighed that, so we're up $21. And I think I've only had this one going for a few days. So yeah, so far so good. We'll see how it happens next week and in a full week with Stabilizer. But yeah, thank you. We'll see how it goes. Next one was the Forex Tramp. Now the set files that I'm using are the ones that were in. They were in a folder called user set files, so they weren't actually the other set files. So maybe these ones are not optimized for like this time frame. We'll have a look. Sorry. There's not really much here about time frames, or yeah, not sure. So yeah, we'll see. But the good thing is that we've only lost $100. And we're only, I've only got two orders open at the moment, and they're only 0.01 lot orders and lots of buy and sell stops. So, yeah, down $100 is not too bad. It sucks to be down. You don't want to be down money, but at least it didn't blow the account, straight up. So we'll see how Forex Tramp goes. I don't know why they're all different colors. I think that's just what it does. Stepping Stone is another one that blew the account because the market does not suit the EA. Well, what can I say? This is exactly the same as the, what was it called? There's so many EAs. Not to make money. Monopole. Same as Monopole. So stepping stone works in a ranging market, not a trending market. So I didn't actually expect this one to go well. And the other thing that I stuffed up with is I was doing really big lot sizes, so 0.1 lots. I don't know why the account history is 0.02. Let's today, last week, nothing. Oh, okay, hang on. So this is a bit odd. Last week it thinks is like, I don't know why it thinks that tomorrow starts last week. But anyway, it's the 6th here today, not the 7th. I don't know why it does this. There we go. So you can see here that I stuffed up. I stuffed up because I was doing 0.1 lot size trades. So what I want to do is change that, and I'll change it to 0.02, which I did, and believe the account before I did that. So what I'm going to do with this stepping stone is I'm actually going to, even though it did lose that last trade, but it didn't have a chance anyway. I'm going to give it another $1,000, and I'll start it on 0.02. Because I think 0.01. We've got $1,000. 0.01 would be a bit too small for this EA, but I'll get another crack. I stuffed up. Sorry, stepping stone. I thought 0.1 lots would have been okay, but I guess not. But we'll try again. And last but not least, we have the Titan G7, which has it's been pretty solid. Now I think the settings here, we're risking 1%. Yes, so 1% of the account per trade, and we are running all of these basic pairs. And so far we're down $6.72 in open trades, and we've made, I think, $48.29. So there's been some winners and losers. We'll have a look at our biggest profit and our biggest loss. So biggest profit was $14.58, and our biggest loss was $14.17. So yeah, Titan G7, you've made some money this week. I am pretty impressed so far, and we're not in a lot of drawdown considering how bad the market was this week, coming up to NFP. I'm actually impressed. So we'll see how it goes in another week. Like I can't say it's good or bad yet because I haven't been demoing it for long enough. But so far, I'm actually quite impressed. There's not much, not many open trades. It's not negative much, and it has made $48. $48 is pretty good. It hasn't made a lot of money. Or just remember, we are trading 1% of the account. We've got $1,000 or $1,048 now, and it's still doing 0.01 lot size trade. So you can see there. So maybe as the account grows, things might starting to get a bit more hairy when we see some bigger trades open. But yeah, it's made some money. That's what we want. Now, a quick bonus. We'll see how Kingles and Monopole have gone. These are the part of the three amigos. And as you can see here, that for some reason my demo is going really well. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because it is a really slow ping and it can't get the trades out on time, or it doesn't get the signals. I have no idea. But we've got $3,750, and just remember these ones started with, I think this one started with $500. So, but this was back in March. So yeah, I'm not sure. So Euro USD doesn't have any open trades. It's all, oh, it does. Sorry, my bad. Yes, but it hasn't placed any trades. It's really weird. Not sure about that. We'll go back to Kingle. If I go back 2 or 3 because I was showing everyone. So as you can see here, it's trading differently on here than it was on my my real account. There's no trades here. See, on mine there would have been trades going all the way up here, and then it would have come back. So I'm not sure what's going on there. I don't know if it's just the EA's. It could be a scam. You know, that's a big word. It could go well on demo and then totally change on a real, which is why I saw things go a bit weird on a real account when I opened the terminal, and it was placing really random lot sizes, trades, and doing weird stuff. So that could have happened. I'm not sure. But what I find interesting is that, considering mine, I am zoomed right out there, but we're not in any markets at the moment, so I can change this time frame. Let's have a look on the daily. Yeah, so have a look here. See, mine looked totally different to this. See how this has not traded this at all. There's nothing here, whereas mine did. Now my cat was walking on the keyboard last night, and I did notice that when she was sitting on there, I noticed that the terminal was turned off somehow, so I turned it back on. So it could have been off for longer than what I thought. Because she likes to sit on the laptop, you know, it's quite warm, of course, she's a cat. So that could have happened, and that's why this didn't get traded here. So yeah, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm still a bit pissed, as you would be, you know, losing real money. But yeah, what I'm going to do is just a quick review on that, and we'll look into why Kingle blew my account. I hope you guys will be interested in that. I'll zoom right out. But yeah, that'd be a good video. A little review on why Kingle blew my account, and we'll look into it there. But you can see that we're down $3,000, and it was actually down at the peak here I saw last night. It was down about $4,000. So it's come back a bit. But you know, considering there's now $14,000 in the account, I don't think it'd really worry this EA to be in a lot of drawdown, considering it's only 0.03 lots. So yeah, Kingle can be good, but I think you need a lot more money in the account, especially with, you know, if you're trading the 5-minute time frame. It's more for the hour time frame. It was really aggressive. I knew it was going to be aggressive, and it didn't work out for me. So unfortunately, you get that. That's the market. That's trading. You take losses, and that's what happens. But I hope you've all enjoyed this lengthy update. Sorry, it is a bit of a longer video. But yeah, I just wanted to update you all on how what's been happening in my world. So yeah, I've been basically learning how to manual trade as well. I've been manual trading for a while, but I've been trying to get that a bit better. But this week wasn't the best week for me. I've pretty much all the 4 first days wasn't real good. I've had Kingle blow the account. I blew my manual account, which you know, wasn't much money in there. There was only like $100 in there that I play with manual trades. You know, 0.01 lots. Try and get good entries and good exits. And yeah, but yesterday I made a little bit of money back with the EAs that I've been testing. So all in all, it wasn't a very, you know, it could have been a worse week, but it wasn't the best week I've had, that's for sure. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll have some more content coming out soon. If you like this video, chuck a like, leave a comment in the description below if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.